After years of service, stepping out of the badge can feel like stepping into the unknown. At Recruiting Heroes LLC, we understand that transition because we've lived it. Founded by a former deputy sheriff, our mission is simple: to help law enforcement officers find meaningful, high-impact careers after their time in uniform. We've already helped over 700 officers successfully navigate that shift, offering expert resume writing, LinkedIn optimization, interview coaching, and personalized career guidance built around their real-world strengths. Our candidates are landing roles in security, project management, tech, and corporate leadership. Now, we're proud to introduce our most powerful resource yet, the Heroes Academy. This isn't just a course, it's a complete step-by-step transformation system designed specifically for law enforcement professionals ready to move forward with purpose. Led by our founder, Colin Whittington, former deputy sheriff and the 2019 Virginia Deputy of the Year, the Academy empowers you to identify your skills, translate them into civilian terms, and pursue industries where your leadership, discipline, and life experience are seen as valuable assets, not obstacles. Through video lessons, worksheets, templates, and hands-on tools, we take the guesswork out of a career change. But what truly sets the Academy apart is what it delivers: confidence, clarity, and a clear path forward. You don't have to start from scratch. You don't have to settle for less. With the right support, you can step into a career that respects what you've done and values what you bring. Visit recruitingheroesllc.com and take your next step toward opportunity, purpose, and lasting success.